Hello my dear students. In today's video we will see heterocyclic system part 3. In this video we will learn about various heterocyclic rings. Start with a three-membered heterocyclic ring, that is, first ring is aziridine. It is a three-membered heterocyclic ring in which nitrogen is a heteroatom. The numbering should be given one number to the heteroatom, that is nitrogen. Then second ring is beta-lactam ring. This is a four-membered heterocyclic ring containing nitrogen is a heteroatom at one position, and there should be ketone group at second position. Next is five-membered heterocyclic ring containing sulfur as a heteroatom. Name of the ring is thiopene, or it also called as a thiol. It is a five-membered ring containing sulfur and two double bonds at 2, 3 and 5, 4 position. We move towards next ring, that is five-membered heterocyclic ring containing oxygen as a heteroatom and two double bonds. Name of the ring is furan. Then five-membered ring containing nitrogen as a heteroatom and two double bonds. Name of the ring is pyrazole or azole. Then when there should be saturation of both the bond, pyrrole is converted into pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine, it is a five-membered ring containing nitrogen as a heteroatom. Then we move towards next ring, that is indole. It is a fused ring. Pyrrole ring is fused with benzene ring at 4, 5 position. Next ring is penum ring. In this, thiol ring is fused with beta-lactam ring. Next ring is siphum. In this, beta-lactam ring is fused with six-membered ring containing sulfur. Then we move towards next ring, that is five-membered ring containing two nitrogen atom. Name of the ring is pyrazole and it having two double bonds. The numbering should be given. Nitrogen containing hydrogen is numbered as 1 and subsequent nitrogen numbered as 2. Then pyrazole, when there should be saturation of one double bond, it's converted into pyrazolene. Then when there should be saturation of both the bonds, it converted into pyrazolidine. It is a five-membered ring containing two nitrogens at 1 and 2 position. Next, this is a five-membered ring containing two nitrogens at 1, 3 position called as imidazole. When there should be saturation of one double bond, imidazole is converted into imidazoline. When there should be at 2 position double bond, name of the ring is 2-imidazolene. There should be at 4 position double bond, name of the ring is 4-imidazolene. Next ring is oxazole. In this, oxygen and nitrogens are the heteroatoms. At one position was oxygen and 3 for nitrogen. When there should be saturation of both the bonds, oxazole is converted into oxazolidine, and when there should be saturation of one double bond, oxazole is converted into oxazoline. Then next ring is isoxazole. One position is oxygen, and at second position, that is nascent position, that is nitrogen. It is a 5-membered ring containing two heteroatoms, that is oxygen and nitrogen, at 1 and 2nd position, called as isoxazole. When there should be saturation of both the bonds, isoxazole is converted into isoxazolidine, and when there should be saturation of one double bond, isoxazole is converted into isoxazoline. Next ring is thiazole. In this, there should be two heteroatoms, that is sulfur and nitrogen, at 1 and 3 position. When there should be saturation of both the bonds, thiazoline is converted into thiazolidine. Next is imidazolidine 2,4-dione, or it also called as Hadantoin ring. It is a 5-membered ring containing two nitrogens at 1,3 position and two ketone groups at 2 and 4 position. Hence, name of the ring is imidazolidine 2,4-dione. Next is benzimidazole ring. It is a fused ring. In this, benzene ring is fused with pyrazole ring. Next is 5-membered ring containing 4 heteroatoms, that is 4 nitrogen atoms, called as tetrazole, with 2 double bonds. Next rings are 6-membered rings. In that, first is pyridine. It is a 6-membered ring containing nitrogen at 1 position. Next is piperidine ring. It is a 6-membered ring containing nitrogen at 1 position, and there should be no any double bond. Next ring is pyridazine. In this ring, there should be 3 double bonds and 2 heteroatoms are namely nitrogens at 1 and 2 positions. Next ring is pyrimidine. In this ring, there should be 2 nitrogens at 1,3 positions and there are 3 double bonds. 1,3,4 tetrahydropyrimidine. It is a saturated form of pyrimidine. In this, there should be only 1 double bond at 5 position. Next ring is perhydropyrimidine. It is a saturated form of pyrimidine. There should be no any double bond in this ring. Next ring is barbituric acid. It is a perhydropyrimidine ring which is substituted at 2,4,6 position with ketone group, that is double bond O group. Next is pyrazine ring. In this, there are 2 heteroatoms are nitrogens at 1 and 4 position, hence called as pyrazine. Piperazine is a saturated form of pyrazine. Next ring is quinoline. It is a fused ring system. In this, benzene ring is fused with pyridine. Next is isoquinoline. In this, benzene ring is fused with pyridine, but there should be nitrogen at not at one position. It should be shifted at iso position, that is at a 2 position. Next ring is benzo 2-pyron ring. Next is 7-membered ring. It is a azepine ring containing nitrogen at 1 position and it is 7-membered ring containing 3 double bonds. Next is a 1,4-diazepine. In this ring at 1 and 4 position there should be 2 nitrogens and it is a 7-membered ring. Next ring is 1,4-benzodiazepine. 1,4-benzodiazepine ring is a fusion of benzene and 1,4-diazepine ring. Next is a dibenzapine ring. In this, two benzene rings are fused with azapine ring. Next is acridine. In this, pyridine ring is fused with two benzene rings. Next is phenothiazine ring. In this, two benzene rings are fused with thiazine ring. Next is phenazine ring. In this, piperazine ring is fused with two benzene rings. Next is 1,3,4-thiadiazole ring. In this, there should be 5-membered ring containing 2 nitrogens and 1 sulfur. Sulfur having 1 number and nitrogens are subsequent numbers. Next ring is purine ring. In this, pyrimidine ring is fused with imidazole ring at 5,4 position. Next is xanthine ring. In this ring, imidazole ring is fused with barbituric acid ring. Then next is theriodine ring. In this, piperazine ring is fused with pyridine ring. Next is benzothiadiazine ring. In this, benzene ring is fused with 1,2,4-thiadiazine ring. This is the structure of propane. Next, this is a xanthine ring. In this, 6-membered ring containing oxygen is fused with 2 benzene rings, and last structure is of octahydroazosine ring. This is a saturated ring containing nitrogen and it is a 8-membered ring. These are some substituent groups which are substituted at various positions of heterocyclic ring, like methyl, CH3 ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, phenyl, benzyl, toluene, M-toluene, oxo, formyl, carboxy, acetyl, benzoyl, benzoloxy, carboloxy. Thank you all of you.